Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to our second video. Sorry it has been so long since we have done a video. We've been sort of busy even though we're quarantined.
I forgot to tell you last video, but I am doing a series of smoothies. So today I'm making a chocolate banana smoothie.
And I'll be doing a really fun experiment. I won't tell you what it is yet though.
So as always, I will go first. So to make the smoothie, you will need a blender, a banana, chocolate milk, sun butter, or peanut butter, or any nut butter. And if you want some ice cubes in it, you can put a few in. So I'm gonna so first you're gonna peel the banana, and then you're gonna break the banana up and put a few chunks in. And then you're going to put some chocolate milk or regular milk. If you want any more bananas, you can put a few more chunks in. And then I'm going to put my sun butter or peanut butter in. Okay, now we're going to put the lid, Nathan's going to put the lid on and blend it.
Is this good? I don't know. That looks... Alright, this looks good. Okay, let's blend it all the way.
Now I'm going to put a different lid on and let Nathan try it.
It's good, but I do recommend ice. I didn't think I would like ice in it, but I think next time I would put ice in it. So today I'm going to do an experiment called skating water droplets. It is so cool. So you're going to need a skillet, a stove, and some water. And so once the pan has been heating up on the stove for 5 minutes, drop a few droplets of water in and watch what happens. Actually, a parent should come and tilt the pan around. Not a kid, a parent should come and tilt the pan around. It'll make it even cooler. So the reason why this happens is water is cohesive and adhesive. Cohesive means it is attracted to other water. Adhesive means it is attracted to some other things that are not water. And the fun fact, the water is not actually touching the pan. It is sitting riding on a cloud of water vapor, which is really cool. That is why I chose this experiment, because I thought it was just like the coolest experiment ever. So, hey guys, thanks for watching. So, about my experiment, there was something that we didn't exactly know about or remember that happens after you turn the heat off and let the pan sit for about a minute. Be careful and don't touch the pan. It will still be hot. But do watch what happens. And also, if you want to see another cool YouTube channel, check out KNN. It's really cool, kid friendly. We'll leave the link in the description. See you next time.
Bye.